is to get rid of hives as quickly as possible. Hives usually occur as an acute reaction, mainly as part of an allergic reaction, but sometimes they are persistent. Hives are a complex of symptoms involving swelling, redness, and itching of the upper layers of the skin, caused by the release of a substance called histamine in the skin. In some cases, it may be accompanied by swelling of the face, eyelids, lips, and several cases by swelling of the tongue and difficulty breathing. Histamine release can be triggered by a number of factors. Here are the most common ones. Drugs, including certain antibiotics, anti-inflammatory, high blood pressure drugs. Certain foods, such as nuts, seafood, small seeded fruits, chocolate, processed meat products, eggs. Infection diseases such as flu, urinary tract infection, sore throat. Chronic diseases such as thyroid disease, lupus. High external or internal temperature. Parasites living on the surface, dust mite, cockroaches, fleas. Pollen chemicals, sun exposure. Hives can be easily recognized by the characteristic symptoms that accompany them, such as redness, itching, protrusion from the skin. The rash patches can range from a few millimeters to a few centimeters in size and appear mainly on the face, hands, arms, legs, and feet. It can also be characterized by constantly changing location, going away almost hourly and coming out in a different place. How to treat it? In the first instance, it is advisable to avoid the so-called trigger, the root causes of histamine release, if they can be identified. The benefits of nutritional supplements such as vitamin C, D, and lime oil are also stressed, but these should always be discussed with a dermatologist. In the case of long-standing complaints, it is also advisable to address the psychological background of the condition, as months of agonizing symptoms can lead to depression, which can set off a vicious circle. Stress can be a risk factor in its own right and can worsen the skin condition. Herbal balms can also be the excellent treatment. The best choice of herbal balms are those with high active ingredients. Such a product is Highlighter Dermasoft Extra Balm for eczema complaints as well as hives. It contains certain special herbs that have been carefully selected. The herbal action is quickly absorbed.